Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Jordan Williams.
Good evening, Central Oregon. To start your work week, we have some good news for you. The air stagnation advisory that we've seen the last few days will be expiring in about 24 hours. Now, if you haven't been watching our weather reports, basically what that air stagnation advisory is for Bend, Redmond, Madras, and Prineville. We're seeing chances for more air pollutants in the air, but in the last few days, we've had mostly good and moderate air quality. If you live in La Pine or Sisters or Sun River, you weren't even under the air stagnation advisory, so it's not something you had to worry about. Now, if you like rain and snow, I have some more good news for you. Over the next 24 to 36 hours, we're going to see this trend of clouds coming in and leaving, and then we'll see those chances for rain and snow late Tuesday evening. Early Tuesday morning, we can see those clouds come in. Then they're going to get a little heavier around lunchtime. Then they're going to clear up a little bit. And then right around 10 o'clock is when we see that system in your upper left-hand corner moving into the Central Oregon area. You can see right about 10 o'clock. It's just on the outside of Jefferson County. As we move along late Tuesday night and into early Wednesday morning, we're going to see chances for rain and snow throughout most of Central Oregon. And when we see that precipitation in the air, we'll also see those freezing conditions overnight, which means we could see some icy sidewalks. So if you're out walking early in the morning, make sure to be very careful. As I mentioned, over the next 24 to 36 hours, we're going to see these clouds coming and going. And then late Wednesday evening, they're likely going to return into the Central Oregon area and kind of stay for the rest of your week. Here's a look at your travel conditions. A little dark out there, so really hard to tell, but earlier that picture of Bachelor, the snow-capped mountain, was absolutely amazing. Obviously, Bachelor opened up today, so if you made the trip up there, really calm conditions, didn't really have to worry about any rain or snow on the road. Today's high temperatures across the state, 50s for the coast, 60 in Coos Bay, 54 in Redmond. If you're wondering what our record high was, that's only 4 degrees off. In 1975, there was a record high in Redmond of 58 degrees. Really warm today. Those warm temperatures will likely stay with us for the rest of the week. They'll cool off just a little bit, though. Current conditions right now in Central Oregon, mid-40s for about half of us, and then Sisters, Madras, Sun River, and La Pine in the low to upper 30s. Forecast lows later tonight. We mentioned we're going to see those freezing conditions, maybe some precipitation, which could cause for some icy sidewalks. Bend is your only number outside of those freezing conditions. Madras right on the mark, and then Warm Springs, Sisters, Prineville, Sun River, La Pine, most of Central Oregon, even under that 30-degree number. Forecast highs tomorrow, mentioned usually around this time of the year, average of about 41 degrees, so Redmond still very much above that number, and the rest of Central Oregon as well. Most of us in the 40s, and then Redmond and Prineville right at 50 and 49. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Thursday is the first day of Hanukkah, so happy Hanukkah to anybody celebrating. Wednesday and Saturday and even Monday will be your highest chances for rain and snow at about 20, 30, and 30%. Throughout the week, though, we will have chances for rain and snow